Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and evaluate the latest products on the market.
I'm your host, and today, we have a fantastic accessory for all you Meta Quest 3 owners out there. It's the Wonlince hard carrying case for Meta Quest 3 in a stylish gray design. Stick around as we dive into its features, benefits, and overall performance. First off, let's talk about space.
This carrying case is perfectly compatible with your Meta Quest 3, including the Elite strap and third-party headbands.
Inside, you'll find a spacious design that provides ample storage space to keep all your belongings organized.
Portability is key, and this organizer doesn't disappoint. It features improved double zippers and hand-stitched leather carrying handles, making it lightweight and easy to take with you anytime, anywhere. Keep in mind that this product includes the case only. The VR machine is not included. Customer satisfaction is a top priority for Wonlince. If you encounter any problems or have suggestions during use, they're just a message away.
They commit to dealing with any issues within 24 hours, ensuring you get the support you need.
Protection is paramount for your Meta Quest 3, and this case delivers. The surface is made of abrasion and scratch-resistant Oxford cloth, while the second layer is constructed from sturdy EVA hard material for excellent and effective protection. The inner layer consists of high-quality polyester fiber, maximizing the protection for your VR machine. Last but not least, the Wonlince hard carrying case doesn't compromise on style. Designed specifically for the Meta Quest 3, it's made from higher quality materials that extend functionality and durability while maintaining an ultra-stylish look. Now that we've covered the key features and benefits, let's take a look at your purchase options. You can grab this fantastic Wonlince hard carrying case for Meta Quest 3 on Amazon for just $29.99.
Please note that the VR machine is not included in this package.
Before we wrap up, let's check out a couple of alternative products that you might also find interesting.
If you're looking for more options, consider the VZNEK hard carrying case for Oculus Meta Quest 3.
It fits the official VR headset with the Elite strap and offers another great storage solution. Another alternative is the Abika for Meta Quest 3 case, which comes with controller grips and is designed to keep your Oculus Quest 3 accessories safe and sound.
And there you have it, folks.
The Wonlince hard carrying case for Meta Quest 3, a stylish and protective solution for your VR headset and accessories. With ample space, portability, and a focus on customer satisfaction, it's an excellent choice for any Meta Quest 3 owner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.